Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add a subscript to words in text in your Canva designs in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so navigate to your logo or design or text here on Canva. And let me tell you that there is no specific subscript or superscript button you can use for that. You will need to create it by adding a separate text box with a number and then group it. Let me show you how to do that. So let me apply the subscript, for example, to that word here, to the end of the text box. What you want to do is navigate to the text tool here, select add a text box, or you can use the shortcut T for that, and enter the number. So let me go, for example, with 2. Then you will see the small 2 here. You can also resize the text box if you like. I will keep it like this. And then what you want to do is move it here just below your text like this. Position it, for example, there. So now what you want to do, guys, is group both, because if you, for example, move only one text or the 2 here, the subscript, as you can see, they will be moved separately. So what you want to do is left click into the first one, left click into the second one while holding a left shift on your keyboard. And now both are selected, choose group here, and now both texts are one group, the text and the subscript. So now you can move both together like this, and that's basically it. Now if you'd like to ungroup them, left click into one of these, select ungroup here. You can also left click into one of these elements, for example, copy it by pressing Ctrl C and then Ctrl V to paste it. And now you have the same subscript with the same formatting, the same size, so that you may double click into it and change the number from 2 to 3, for example, if you'd like to create a chain of words, for example, with different consecutive subscript 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth, for example, for a mathematic formula, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's the only way how it works on Canva in 2026. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.